Good evening, boys and girls. Welcome back with the additional of today's newspaper on Friday. Yes, it's still Friday, January the 12th, 2024. And I've already solved two puzzles in this additional, the 3 stars and the 4 stars Sudoku. We have two puzzles left. The jigsaw Sudoku and the binary. Yes, it's a binary time. Let me zoom this. This one will be number 7789. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one is 15 printed digits. 15. And this one is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 4 ones, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 4 O's, 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, so let's get started. Double one, here no, there no, double one, here no, there no, double one, here no, there no. Between two O's comes in 1, double O, here 1, there 1. Between two ones comes an O, 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between two O's comes in 1, 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between two ones comes an O, 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. 4 ones we have here in the last row, so the rest are O's. Between the ones comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. And 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Between the ones comes an O. We have here 4 O's, so the rest are ones. 4 ones we have here in this row, so the rest are O's. Between the O's comes a 1, 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are ones. And 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Finish in 3 minutes. Well, we solve it again without comparing. And I like this one, yes I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve the best self. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you in a minute with the last puzzle for today. This one will be a special one because this one is a jigsaw Sudoku with 10 printed digits. Should be a hard one. We will see. Alright, so see you later. Bye bye for now.